Welcome to Jamaican Things, and today we'll be counting down the 10 best places to eat jerk in Jamaica. We also want to give a huge shout out to our subscriber Jordan Makines, whose comment inspired the creation of this video. Number 10. Fireside Jerkin Bar. Located in Tollgate, Clarendon, Fireside Jerkin Bar is a great place to wind down after a long road trip. The restaurant serves delicious jerk and traditional Jamaican dishes behind great music. After your meal, be sure to play a game or two of pool in their well-designed lounge area. Number 9. Ultimate Jerk Center. Here's one place you should definitely stop by if you arrive in Jamaica. Located in Discovery Bay, St. Anne, the Ultimate Jerk Center is the perfect spot to hang out with friends. With a friendly staff, postcard-ready surroundings, the Ultimate Jerk Center serves some of Jamaica's best jerk. Number 8. Sweetwood Jerk Joint. Conveniently located beside Emancipation Park in Kingston, Sweetwood Jerk serves up some of Jamaica's most mouth-watering jerk meat. With a menu of jerk pork, sausage, chicken, lamb, and the usual side orders, Sweetwood Jerk Joint will keep you coming back for more. Number 7. The Ocho Rios Jerk Center. Ocho Rios Jerk Center, located in Ocho Rios, is a great place to sample some of Jamaica's best jerk foods. The open-air restaurant has a casual, relaxed environment with daily specials and in-house entertainment. Ocho Rios Jerk Center is worth taking a road trip to Jamaica's north coast. Number 6. The Boston Jerk Center. Did you know that jerk originally started using pork? And Boston Jerk Center in Portland is where it all began, serving authentic Jamaican jerk pork, chicken, fish, lobster dishes, and conch soup. Location. Number 5. The Pork Pit. Located on the hip strip in Montego Bay, the Pork Pit is a restaurant serving authentic Jamaican jerk pork, chicken, ribs, sausage, shrimp, and fish. The Pork Pit serves its customers mouth-watering jerk chicken and their obligatory tender jerk pork. On location, you will find a 300-year-old cotton tree. Number 4. Three Dives Jerk Center. Located in Negril, Three Dives Jerk Center is one of Jamaica's most famous places to eat jerk foods. With a menu comprising of traditional Jamaican foods, excluding jerk pork, guests are catered to by friendly staff in a clean, peaceful environment. With a live band each week and a bonfire at night, we are sure you will enjoy dining at Three Dives Restaurant any day of the week. Number 3. Murray's Fish and Jerk Hut. Murray's Fish and Jerk Hut serves mouth-watering jerk and fish dishes. Located in Clarendon Park, this restaurant is one of Jamaica's best jerk spots. If this is your lunch spot of choice, then it is a must you try their delicious jerk rabbit. Number 2. Pepper's Jerk Center. Located in Falmouth, Trelawney, Pepper's Jerk Center is set in former slave quarters. The touch of history as you indulge into authentic Jamaican dishes takes you back in time and allows you to get a true feeling of life in Jamaica. Pepper's Jerk Center is the place to get a taste of the most delicious jerk in Trelawney. Before we unveil our number one pick, here are a few honorable mentions. Number 1. Scotchies. With 3 locations in Jamaica, Kingston, Ocho, Rios, and Montego Bay, Scotchies restaurants are well known for their delicious, authentic Jamaican jerk chicken and pork. Along with great food and the real Jamaican outdoor atmosphere, the prices are relatively reasonable. For great taste in Jamaican jerk cooked over pimento tree wood, Scotchies is the place to have the best jerk experience in Jamaica.